Let us look at another example of partnerships. Praveen, Shirish and Devendra together rented a house for 2 years and settled to pay rupees 1368 as rent. So basically this is the rent that they have paid for the entire 2 years. They lived together in this house for 5 months. Then Devendra left the house and went away. 3 months later, Shirish also went away and left the house for Praveen to live alone. How much did Praveen pay as rent of this house? So here, because we have the duration in terms of months, let us first find out what is the monthly rent. So the total rent is 1368 rupees, and this is for 2 years, which has 24 months. So the rent is, let's divide both of them by 2. So 12, 2 6 are 12, 1 carry over, 2 8s are 16 and 2 4s are 8. Again 2 6 are 12, 2 3 4 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14 and 1. 7 plus 1 is 8 plus 1 is 9, so 9 is divisible by 3, so this number is also divisible by 3. 3 5s are 15, 2 carry over, 3 7s are 21. So 57 rupees per month is the rent. Now, out of the 24 months, Devendra lived in the house only for 5 months. And Shirish left 3 months after Devendra left. So Shirish lived in the house for 8 months. While Praveen lived in the house for the entire 24 months. So now Devendra and Shirish are saying that we lived in the house only for partial amount of time. So we should be paying only proportional amount of rent. So Praveen, Shirish and Devendra agreed to do that. So now out of the 24 months, let's say this is 24 months, this is 0 months. The first 5 months, Praveen, Shirish and Devendra, all the three lived in the house. So Praveen, Shirish and Devendra. From 5 months to 8 months, since Devendra left the house on the 5th month, from 5th to 8th month, Praveen and Shirish lived in the house. And from 8th month onwards, or rather 9th month onwards, only Praveen lived in the house. So for the first 5 months, the rent is to be shared by all the three. Now 6th, 7th and 8th month, the rent is to be shared by Praveen and Shirish. And from 9th month onwards, rent is to be paid only by Praveen. Now we have to find out the total amount of rent paid by Praveen only. So for the first 5 months, the rent is to be split into 3 parts, out of which one part will be paid by Praveen. So 57 by 3, this is the rent that Praveen has to pay monthly for the first 5 months. Plus, now for the 6th, 7th and 8th months, the rent is to be split into 2 parts. So 57 by 2, so this is the monthly rent that Praveen is paying, multiplied by 3 because there are 3 months, plus now 9th month onwards till 24th month, Praveen has to pay all the rent. So 57 multiplied by, so 4 months in the first year, 9, 10, 11, 12, and then 12 months in the next year. So 12 plus 4 is 16. Now 57 is divisible by 3. So 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, and 5 minus 3 is 2. So 2 carry over. 3 nines are 27, and 19 fives are 95. Plus, now 57 multiplied by 3, so 7 threes are 21, 2 carry over, 5 threes are 15, plus 2, 17, divided by 2, plus 57 multiplied by 16. So this is equal to 95 plus, now 2 8s are 16, 1 carry over, 2 5s are 10, and then 0.5, plus 16 into 7 is 112, so 2 here and 11 carry over. 16 5s are 80 plus 11, 91. So this is equal to 0.5 is here. Now we'll add the unit places, so 5 plus 5 10, plus 2 12, 1 carry over, 1 plus 1 2, plus 8 is 10, plus 9 is 19, 1 carry over, 9 plus 1 10. So in total, Praveen will pay a rent of rupees 1092 and 50 paise for a period of 2 years.